Good morning. Oh my gosh, first one of the days just turned up. New client with his rather filthy Triumph Tiger 800. She is filthy. He did say he washed it a week ago, but got caught in a bit of rain, but I'm not too sure which bit he washed, but doesn't look like it's been done in a while. Like I always say, it's so important to keep your bike properly protected. See all that white corrosion? That is corrosion setting, and a nice bit of ACF 50 would have stopped all that. Oh my goodness, she is minging. Oh, look at the chain. I'm not too sure which bit he washed, but it doesn't look like it's been properly cleaned in some time. That's all burnt on tar. Chain, oh my goodness. Let's get that belly pad off. Give us some access to that exhaust. Look at the exhaust. Oh, see all that white? That's all corrosion setting in. She is filthy. Oh, these wheels. I'm gonna have to paint those rims once they're cleaned. Oh gosh, I've got my work cut out for me with this one. I've got to get cracking. I've got 2.5 hours before the next client turns up. Oh my goodness. Wish me luck. We're going to do a full valet on this, get some proper ACF 50 protection on it. See if we can polish this windscreen up. Wish me luck. Okay, first hour up. That's all just been degreasing, all that spokes, the rear wheel, all up underneath the center stand. I've just scrubbed and scrubbed all this front spokes. Don't know why Triumph put chrome spokes on an adventure bike, because they go rusty. ACF 50 would have prevented all that. Nevertheless, I just spent an hour cleaning these wheels, got all the spokes up. These rims are pretty corroded, unfortunately. You can see all the marks on the powder coating. ACF 50 would have stopped that as well. But now we're going to crack on with the exhaust. Oh god, doesn't look like the oil filter's been changed in a while. There you go, 3 hours in. She is looking a different bike. Put a bit of paint on these wheels as they were all corroded. ACF 50 all the motor, polished up the exhaust, cleaned all these discs up, cleaned the belly pan, looking 10 times better. Got all that old chain lube off with all the grit in, blow dried it, re-lubed it back up, just about to polish the paintwork, and she's done. There you go, this Triumph Tiger has been trotted. Done the best I can in 3 hours. She looks a different bike. At least it's got some protection on it now. Like I said, I had to paint those wheels, center side stand. I'm the best I could with that motor. Looking 10 times better.